Hi, here, the founder of Our Aroma, and you can find us at ouraroma.com. Wanted to show you today a video on how to program your Our Aroma whole home diffuser. This is a great unit to put through your HVAC system or even in a room, a large room, in order to diffuse the essential oils or fragrance oils. Obviously, the essential oils are going to give you aromatherapy effects, while fragrance oils will just create a beautiful scent for your home or your office. With the unit, you're going to get this diffuser. You are also going to receive in the package your plug, or the US plug. You'll receive 2 keys. This will allow you to gain access to the unit. Then you will also gain an adapter, which will be able to screw into here, and then put your plastic tube in here that will then go and feed into your HVAC air ducts. You also receive this unit, this part here. This is if you're going to utilize this in one without putting it into HVAC system and diffuse into the entire space. You also will receive in the package all the tools to be able to mount this onto a wall, and you'll also receive this tape, which allows you, plumber's tape, and allows you to make sure that you get a good seal there when you are doing it. You also do receive a product manual that will show you exactly what I'm about to show you when you look at programming this unit. One of the biggest benefits of this unit is that you are able to program it to turn on and off 3 times a day. You're able to set the period of time that it diffuses and is off. But keep in mind that we don't want to utilize this unit 24/7, 365. Use the programming in order to space out the time. Running it 24/7 will not only use a lot of oil and cost a lot of money, but is not really going to be necessary. Running this unit 3 times a day for between 30 minutes and 45 minutes or an hour each day will certainly give your room and your space great aromatherapy benefits or beautiful scents that you can smell all day. We're going to press ENT, so it is now flashing for 9 a.m. It runs on military time, so if I want to increase the time, I'm going to change it by pressing the up button. That's going to go to there. We'll leave it at 10, and by clicking the right button, I'm changing it, and we're going to change the time. So like I said, it runs on military time, so we're going to change it to 10:30. You need to do individual presses. So at the moment it will turn on at 10 a.m., turn off at 10:30. As you can see, there's a number 1 over there. That means that that's the first cycle. So by pressing that side button again, I'm going to now be able to choose the time period. We recommend that most people only keep it on a level 3. So there are 9 levels, and we'll discuss it in a moment. So it's now popped down to the number 2 over there, so I'm going to set the next time. So the last one turned on at 10 a.m. and turned off at 10:30. So let's set this one for 2 o'clock, and it will turn off at, do a little longer for this one, so we'll set it to 3 p.m. Alright, do that. And we're going to set the intensity to a level setting 3. Once I have programmed everything I want, if I only want to do 2 cycles for a Monday, we press enter and it's good to go. You can hear the motor going because at the moment it is set to operate. There are, like I mentioned, there are 9 levels. Level 1 will diffuse oils for 10 seconds and turn off for 300 seconds. So that's about 5 minutes. So it'll run for 10 seconds and then be off for 5 minutes. Level 2, it'll be on for 30 seconds and then turn off for 5 minutes. Level 3 will be 100 seconds or a minute and a half, and then turn off for 5 minutes. Level 4, it's on for 60 seconds or 1 minute, and is then off for 120 seconds or 2 minutes. Level 7, it's on for 150 seconds, so 2.5 minutes, and off for 1 minute. Level 8, it's on for 300 seconds, so 5 minutes, off for 1 minute. So again, it's diffusing oil for 3 minutes and turning off for 60 seconds, 1 minute. And level 9 is going to be, it's on for 5 minutes and it turns off for 10 seconds. Now, if you have a look, this is on the level 3, and it's been diffusing for quite some time. So that level 3 is going to do 100 seconds, which is a minute and a half, just over a minute and a half. So a long period of time.
If you have any questions about how to program your diffuser, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is help@ouraroma.com. Also remember, you can get essential oils and your favorite fragrance oils from ouraroma.com. These work really well with your systems. Ensure that the oils that you use are high quality, high potency. The Our Aroma essential oils and fragrance oils are just that, meaning that you need less oils and will get a stronger scent. Our Aroma also produces essential oils, diffusers for your cars, or even just for a single room. Check us out, our diffusers, at ouraroma.com/diffuser.